The illicit drug trade affects all nations where drugs are produced, trafficked, or consumed, says David Johnson, the U.S. Assistant Secretary of State for International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs.
Consumption of drugs is an international phenomenon. The country, regrettably, with the highest usages is Iran, and has substantial efforts underway themselves to help deter this. But among the fastest-growing cocaine markets is not the United States; they're the ones in Europe.
Johnson says Colombia's cocaine production continues to decline significantly, even though the nation remains the largest coca-producing state in the Andes. Still, the report highlights Colombia as a key international success story, saying the nation's decade-long effort to wrest control from drug trafficking insurgents has been remarkable. But Johnson says Colombia's neighbor, Venezuela, has not shown a similar commitment to the fight against drug trafficking.
Transiting into the Caribbean or to Africa, and then onward into Europe, you see an extraordinary path of particularly aviation exports out of the Venezuelan area next to the border of Colombia.
In Asia, Johnson says narcotics trafficking throughout Afghanistan continues to present a challenge. He says poppy production areas declined by about 30% between 2007 and 2009. Still, in 2009, Afghanistan produced more than 90% of the opium used to manufacture heroin. And the report praises the Mexican government and security forces for confronting the drug trade. It points out that Mexican authorities arrested high-level traffickers in 2009, and Mexico is strengthening its police force with U.S. assistance. Still, Johnson says, the United States feels the effects of these cartels based south of the U.S.-Mexico border.
The spillover, if you will, is more broadly into the United States, and some of the border communities can be, not nearly as affected as some of the more inland areas are.
The drug report also says West Africa now serves as a major corridor for cocaine consumed in Europe. Suzanne, Presto, VOA News.